Our third night at anchor ever was a bit of a rough one, but when we woke up and saw this beautiful sunrise, it made it all worth it. Coming to explore Hoorn. Got the water taxi in with little Scrappy because our outboard engine is broken, but it looks beautiful here. Hoorn is a small city 22 miles north of Amsterdam, located on the banks of the Markenmeer. It's got a quiet, relaxed atmosphere, which allowed us to slowly explore its historic centre and take it all in.
There's a good boy. Hello. Yeah. Are you a good boy? We've had meatballs with chips.
Bitter ballad.
What are they called? Bitter ballad.
Bitter ballad, yeah.
And we're going on that way?
Yeah. And for pudding?
And for pudding, we had a waffle.
Belgian waffle with cherries, and it was amazing.
Black cherries and cream. It was delicious.
Yes.
Really nice.
Come here, Scrappy. Come here. Come on. Good boy. Come on then.
Yeah, why have we got to take the water taxi?
Because our outboard is broken. It's leaking fuel everywhere. Dave's taken it apart twice, cleaned everything, and it still doesn't work. So we're going to have to, well, we were going to go anyway to Volendam tomorrow, and we're going to go and see if we can get it fixed.
Do you know why pirates are called pirates?
Why?
Because they are.
Founded in the year 716, Hoorn rapidly grew to become a major harbour town. During Holland's Golden Age, it was an important home base for the Dutch East India Company and a very prosperous centre of trade. The Hoorn fleet plied the seven seas and returned laden with precious commodities. Exotic spices such as pepper, nutmeg, cloves and mace were sold at vast profits.
So where are we heading now? Volendam. Can't keep forgetting the name of the place.
We keep moving home every few
I
days.
still can't get home. I'm actually just using the winter's pen. Just can't stop kicking. Yeah, okay, Scrappy. Scrappy's not better today. We're pretty much sailing late today. It's a series of beers. It's interconnected. I think the class is fresh water.
They're only shallow, aren't they?
Yeah.
2.7 litres.
Well, I've got half a metre on that, so. We have a.
But we're going at 7 knots.
Sounds a bit as soon as we stop.
Sailed somewhere on our own. We're big boys now.
Scrappy, you survived the journey, didn't you?
Sailed to Volendam.
Volendam.
Sailed to Volendam, and we had problems with the prop. The propeller got like tangled with loads of weeds and stuff, and we just brought a big pile of it on the boat now. And the pile we must have got rid of off the boat was
Massive.
we just kept putting it into reverse and then putting the engine into forward,
Going round in circles.
going round in circles.
Check out what
all
we just
sorts.
pulled off now.
That's small compared to
Yeah, this is small.
normal sailing.
We stayed in Marina Volendam and enjoyed exploring the surrounding area during our time there. Not only did they have amazing showers, but they also let you borrow their bikes for free to nip into town with, which was worth the effort. And check out some of the food that was on offer. canals in Holland. Asking how Scrappy's doing. This is him en route. We've got the engine going and he's just made himself a little snug pit and he's getting a bit of shut-eye till I said his name. He's doing really well, bless him. After a week of relaxing and exploring the Markenmeer and managing to survive, we decided it was time to head south. It had been our first week sailing alone on Baremka after we said goodbye to Dennis in Amsterdam, who'd sailed with us across the North Sea from the UK. We could have easily stayed a lot longer as there was so much to see and do, but we were ready for some warmer weather. So we started back along the canal system towards Amsterdam, Ijmuiden and the North Sea. We had a couple of locks to get through first, which are harder than you think with just the two of you on board, and a boat that doesn't like to stay where you put her. All fun and games though, and we got through them both safely. Join us again next time as we head south down the Dutch coast, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss it.